Oh, hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Do and the grow, grow, grow like they always do. Um, um, hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Doing hop, hoppity hop. Now into the actual video. So guys, hi, it's almost Easter. At the end of April, but I'm looking like a bunny. Yay. So guys, so me and my friend Mickey, oh, he's calling me right now. Guys, I'll be right back. I'll be. No, it's gonna show the number. No, no, no. Nope, 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 nope. Hold up, I'm actually playing it right now. Okay, luckily I don't think it showed the number. Hopefully it didn't. But we're playing some flood survival waves because bunnies have to be good at parkouring and surviving without drowning in water, right? Right? Because like they're good at getting to high ground. I think. Well, they jump. So make sure to check out Mickey's channel, which I will be showing at the end of this video. I think we're doing like a war like PewDiePie and T series, but it's like first to I think it's first to it's first to 20 subscribers on YouTube, and basically if I win, then he shouts me out on his channel. If he wins, then I shout him out on my channel, like on a video, a personal video, just saying that, like just saying the shout out. And if you want to see more videos, Roblox videos, then go check out his channel because there's gonna be some bangers. Oh, guys, if the number showed up, you know what you guys should do? Since there's like no rules of April Fools, there's no rules that say like nobody ever signed a paper that said rules that were April Fools don't have to be on the first. If it's April, then it's still technically April Fools. So if it's April Fools, well, I mean, it is April Fools still until the April month is over. But like you should like you guys, if you see the number, you should spam call him. If he answers, he's gonna be like, "Who is this?" Say April Fools. I seen it on Command of Command's video. You should do that. Jump out the window. You're so an ugly. Wait, that's so. There's this old TikTok meme. It's um you so you so pretty when you shut up. Hit you with a button. Hope you shut up. It's like you so pretty when you smile or something. I think it's called Smile, the song. Smile. Guys, there might actually be an unboxing video of Fortnite toys. Yay! And maybe there might be like a toy at like series on my channel where I unbox different toys. Yeah. I'm acting like a child, even though I'm 10. Yeah, I'm almost teen. 3 more years. I'll be 13. Yay! 13, no, 14 you go into high school, right? Unless you get kept back. No, 13 you go into high school. No, you're in like 8th grade when you're 13, I think. What we're oh wait, I was paying attention to you. Quick potion. Wait, I want a potion. Yeah, and I don't really like this potion because you don't Oh, wait, yeah, you did. I'm a bunny. Hup, and hup, and a hup, and a hup. Oh, we're gonna end up falling. Then I'm gonna I'm gonna cannonball on this tree. I'm gonna cannonball on this tree. I hate everything. I still hate everything. Dude, this thing can just fall down any time. Like right now. It's supposed. I love this game so much. It's just the best game ever. Drink. Fast again. Aren't I a bunny? I don't think bunnies like to go on hamster balls. Is that a thing? Hamster ball? Yeah, it is a thing. The hamsters go on balls. But like bunnies, I don't think are clowns. I think they're bunnies, which are animals. Which scientifically, humans are not really humans. They're animals. No, I'm being serious. See, you learn something new every day. Most of the time, stay in school, kids. I'm gonna actually skip college. I just don't want to have a lot of school. I mean, eventually I'll probably end up liking it a little bit, just a little bit. But, oh no, actually, it's pop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Probably didn't understand anything I said, but make sure to have a awesome rest of your day, night, evening. Bye.